look at the base calculation. In most cases, some books, they don't have this, but in most cases, we ask it. So meaning that these complementary bases. So we're going to use the principle of complementarity. That adenine goes with thymine, guanine goes with cytosine, and then we'll be able to calculate anything which is needed. Here is the first question. If adenine is 30%, what is the percentage of cytosine? So we know that adenine does not go with the cytosine. So how are we going to bring about the percentage of cytosine? So in this case, you know that percentage means out of 100. When you say that you have got 30%, it means that you have got 30 out of 100. If they say that you have got 60%, it means that you have got 60 out of 100. So now, if they say that adenine is 30%, it means that if adenine complements with thymine, if the percentage of adenine, remember James Watson and Francis Crick, they say that these are complementary base pairs. How did they find that? They found out that the percentage of adenine is equal to the percentage of thymine. Therefore, those are complementary base pairs. So if adenine is 30%, definitely thymine is also 30%. So the remaining percentage, if you add 30 plus 30, you get 100. The remaining percentage will be for cytosine and guanine. And remember, these two are complementary to each other. Therefore, if I divide by 2, then I get the individual percentage of guanine and cytosine. This is what I'm trying to say. So we are saying that adenine goes with thymine and guanine goes with cytosine. So if this is adenine, if adenine 30, then automatically, if adenine 30, then automatically thymine is also 30. So 30 plus 30, okay, I get 60. So 30 plus 30 is 60. So this 60 is for these two. So the balance from 100, because this is percentage, it's indicated here as percentage, the balance will be for this. Therefore, I will say 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40. So it means that guanine and the cytosine are equal to 40. So that when I add the 60 plus 40, I get 100, which is the percentage. Therefore, because these two are equal to 40, so I'll say that guanine and the cytosine are equal to 40. So if I want to get one individual, because this is equal to this, therefore I divide by 2, then I get 20. Therefore, cytosine is 20%. That's the meaning, or that's how you can calculate it. So even if they manipulate it, you have to use this principle of the complementary base pairs, that adenine, thymine, guanine with cytosine. Let's look at another example. If cytosine is 20, what is the ratio of guanine to what is the ratio of thymine to guanine? This one is not worked out, therefore it means that I'm gonna just talk about it and then see if you can find the correct answer. If cytosine is 20%, what is the ratio of thymine to guanine? They didn't talk about cytosine here in the question. All right. So now what are you going to find? Find out the percentage of each individual base. Remember, cytosine goes with the guanine. We saw it here that guanine goes with cytosine. So if this is 20%, automatically even this one is 20%. Therefore, I'm going to use the same principle, 20 plus 20, because 20%, 20%. 20 plus 20 is 40, but this is percentage. Therefore, I'm going to subtract it from 100. So 100 minus 40 is going to be 60. Therefore, it means that cytosine 20, guanine is 20, therefore it's 20. And then what about now thymine and adenine? Because the balance is 60, therefore it means that adenine and the thymine is equal to 60. If I divide by 2, I get 30. So this is 30, 30, 20, 20. So that if I add, I go back to 100. 20 plus 20 plus 30 plus 30, it gives me 100. So if you add and you don't get the actual total number, then it means that your answer is what? Is wrong. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to say that if this is 30 and this is 20, because we saw that guanine goes with the cytosine, which is 20 here. Therefore, this is 20 and this is 30. So if I divide it by 10 to get the simplest ratio, I'm gonna get 3 to 1. So your answer must be 3 to 1. and this must be corresponding to this arrangement. Don't say that guanine to thymine, then your answer will be wrong because you have set your own question. Your question is the direction is saying that thymine to, or the arrangement thymine to guanine, not guanine to thymine. So we can find this question in objective or in when you are just writing a small subsection. So please don't forget to know how to calculate this. Then another question, you can also practice it. If DNA has 5,000 bases, only 500 is guanine. What is the percentage of thymine to cytosine? Drop your answer in the description below, and then I'll come back to you when I see that there is big challenge in that. So if not, try to contact that number here so that you can be helped just in case that you don't get it. Or you can try to find your teacher and then you'll be able to help you out. Let's look at DNA replication. What is DNA replication? Soon we'll be having an online discussion with the whole country. I'll be letting you know in the dates where we're going to have the online discussion. You ask any question you would like to know, and then I'll be able to answer those questions. Even if you're asking the question ahead, but I'll be specific. I'll give you specific topics that, okay, you can look for questions from this topic to this topic. I'll be able to answer those topics, those questions in real life. Thank you very much.